Hey guys, this is Scott with the 1970 Chevy El Camino Restomod. Today I'm going to do another feature. I've been working on the interior. I have done quite a bit of work, still not done, but I want to show some of those great upgrades. So I went with the TMI product and I went with the Sport AR buckets, and I converted from bench to bucket seats. And this is a great mid-range price interior. So the Sport AR buckets, you can see here the Sport AR buckets, and then I also have just a hodgepodge center console right now that I'm still working on and updating, but it's got the classic truck console, center console here, and some gauges installed in there. I've got the push button starter in the cigarette lighter hole. I added the word up to lighter up, and then all the blue accent lighting really makes this interior look great. One of the other pieces that I went with that I was unsure of when I bought it was the Chevelle door panels. These were not recommended for the El Camino because of the vent window. And there's some clearance issues that the company had reported on. But I wanted to take the chance because these are full fiberglass shells and they're molded and designed, unlike the other door panel, which is not molded. So you've got this nice hard fiberglass wrapped in the vinyl. It's got the two-tone Sport AR look, again, that mid-price. It's got low-car hardware there. And you can see from my subwoofer box that I'm getting some rubbing here. So I'm going to have to address that and shave the box down and repaint the box and get that pressure off. But really, really happy with the way the interior came out. And then the other thing I did with the interior so far is I added a true 3-point Morris Classic, another expensive but well worth product. It mounts to the floor in the stock location and up in the pillar frame here in the stock location, and works like a modern day seat belt. And you have two options for bench or bucket. You want to buy the option for the type of seat you have or are going to go with. So this is for the bucket seats, which has this hard plastic here. That's really the only difference. And when I was going through the mods, I actually had the bench seat in with those seat belts, and they actually worked. So for a couple of months I had those. They're fully operational. They just were a little more rigid and harder to move through that little slot on the bench seat, but nonetheless worked great. So another one of those great works in progress. Just wanted to show the update here. I am going to stick with the original dashboard rather than going to the TMI dashboard, which look great, but they don't have speaker hole cutouts, and I just have to have my sound system in this car. And then the next big piece I'll be doing here is carpet, finish up the headliner, and do the CTC full console and get it custom cut, get all the consoles and gauges mounted, which I'll be adding more. And then I'll have that wrapped in the same material as the TMI seats, which I'll buy directly from TMI and send to the local upholstery shop so that they can use that same material and try to replicate that design pattern on the center console. Okay, that's it for the update today on the TMI and an update on the interior progress. Talk to you guys later. Bye.